Hello student, in this video we use the audio ducking advanced feature right using to the silence detection. For this purpose, open your Filmora, right, drag your project and then drag your media file from audio, right. I have downloaded this sports trap beat file, right. So then choose your video and then click on this button, silence detection. Then select your video file and then click here to this button, silence detection. If there is not, then click on that button. It will be appear in here or it will not appear in here. Then click on this button and from here you select it and then click on the save and your button will be appear here, right. So select my video and then click on the silence detection, right. So first we choose that part in which part I does not talking, right. So first I select the seconds softening buffer, minimum duration 0.5 second, so I increase it the 1.5 second, right, and the volume threshold 25%. No, I click on the restart, right. Right, so the silence detection is complete. Now I check all the part, right, to visible in my project. So check all the part, right, for visibility. If you uncheck it, right, so it will be cut in your project. So mark all the parts, right, mark all the part. I expand it all the part. It is a short method. Mark, right, and from here mark it. Now click on export to timeline. So it will be exported to timeline one by one instead of to trim it one part to one part to one part. It has a lot of time, right. Video audio file, right. So click it and from here resize on timeline. It is the resize button. When you click on it, right, when it is zoom in or zoom out, and when you click on this button, so it will be zoom to fit the timeline, right. Now I select all the parts in which I talking, right, those part in which I talking, right. So in this part I talking, in this part I talking, in this part I talking. You see the volume line, right, there is nothing the volume line, right. So I see all the volume line. When I select it, you see that the right side top corner the audio ducking part, right. So click on it and the audio ducking will on apply on the audio, right. So I increase the background noise will be decreased in which part I does not in which part I talking and in which part I don't talking, so the volume remains same. Now I decrease, the volume is increased, so I decrease to 75, right, and now I play this video in which part I talking, so the background noise, so the background audio will be decreased, and in which part I does not talking, so the background audio will be increased and will be played, right. First I increase my the computer volume, right, then play. Now first I increase my dB normalization, my project volume is decreased, I have decreased it. So first I increase your volume to see, to listen the media very carefully, right. So first I increase that volume, now I increase my volume, right. So again I play it. On your media from your stock media, also download your audio from your audio right. You also write your titles from your titles. You also apply transition from your transitions. And then you also apply the effects on your video, right? Last, you also use the stickers and the templates in your Filmora project. So it is a advanced method of audio ducking in Filmora. How to use audio ducking, right? So you use just the silence method. First select your video and then click on the silence detection, and the silence detection will be detect your silence point and in which you apply the audio ducking, right? So it is a short video of audio ducking in Filmora 12.